Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about IELTS Writing Task 2 Types of Essays. I'm Sanida. Please watch my videos till the end. You will get so many information how to write a perfect essay. First one. There are 5 types of essays in IELTS Writing Task. Opinion essay, discussion essay, problem essay, advantages and disadvantages essay. And last one is double question essay. I repeat once more. There are 5 types of essays in IELTS Writing Task 2. First one is opinion essay. Second, discussion essays. Third, problem essays. Fourth, advantages and disadvantages essay. Fifth, a double question essay. Okay. Try to understand each type of essay. Okay. Do you want more clarification? Please. Okay. Opinion essay, discussion essay, problem essay, advantages and disadvantages, double question essay. Understood? Type of essays. Then next. Okay. Time limits. In IELTS writing task, you have to write 2 types of essays. Writing task 1, that is, in writing task 1, you have to spend minimum 20 minutes to writing task 1 type of essays. Writing task 1 is you have to write a bar chart, or you have to summarize the bar chart, table or diagram, pie chart, like that. Okay. Second one is, now I am going to discuss about only the writing task 2, not the writing task 1. In writing task 2, you have to write minimum 250 words. Okay. Total 60 minutes. You have to use minimum 20 minutes for writing task 1 and 40 minutes for writing task 2. All together, you will get 60 minutes. Okay. The structure of the essays is, first you have to write an introduction. Second, first body paragraph. Third is second body paragraph and conclusion. Total in 250 ways you have to write the essays. Okay. First, you have to write an introduction, main body paragraph 1, main body paragraph 2, and a conclusion. Okay. First, now I am going to discuss about opinion type essays. Okay. In opinion type essays, you will get this type of questions. Okay. What is, I read. Now, a lot of people in college are doing academic study. We should encourage them to learn vocational skills like plumbers and electricians. Do you agree or disagree? Got it? Opinion type of a question. Do you agree or disagree? Second type of question, space exploration. Space exploration is much too expensive and the money should be spent on more important things. What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Third, advantages in technology and automation have reduced the need for manual labor. Therefore, working hours should be reduced. To what extent do you agree or disagree? To what extent? This is opinion type of session. Okay. This is the topical wording. The question, one you will get the question, one question. Then the topical wording, what is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Got it? Opinion type essay. What is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? Got it? First one is opinion type essay. The type of questions will be, what is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? And to what extent do you agree or disagree? Understood? Move forward. Okay. In key tips, what are the key tips when you are writing an opinion essay? Okay. First, you have to choose one side of the argument. One side of an argument you have to choose. Second, state your opinion clearly in the what is your opinion clearly in the introduction. What is this statement? To write it clearly. Keep the same opinion. You have to write the same opinion throughout this. You have to show your opinion throughout the same. And you have to write proper examples and give reasons why you are supporting this idea. Choose one side of the argument. First, you have to choose one side of the argument. Okay. First, I told you the topic sentence will be, what is your opinion? Do you agree or disagree? To what extent do you agree or disagree? That is the question. That's why I'm telling you, choose one side of the, do you agree or disagree? Choose one side of the argument. After that, you have to write clearly your opinion. If it is agreeing, you have to write it clearly. And rest of the paragraph, you have to write why you are supporting this your agreement, why you are supporting your opinion, and give reasons and examples why you are supporting the proper clarification of your opinion. Okay, got it? Opinion essay structure. How to write an opinion essay structure? First, you have to write an introduction. Introduction means first you have to paraphrase the question. Paraphrase means you have to write your own words. Okay, paraphrase. Use synonyms and other words. Okay, you use synonyms or you have to paraphrase the topic. And after that, you have to write a thesis statement, means you have to why you are supporting your statement and outline the statement. Okay, then first body paragraph. In opinion type of question, first reason, first opinion why you are supporting this view. Outline the first opinion why you are supporting this view. And after you have to explain that idea and proper example. You have to write an example and first you have to write an example also. Okay. First, you have to write your first opinion and explain that idea and write your example. And second body paragraph, outline the second reason for supporting this view. In second body paragraph, you have to write the second reason for supporting your view and explain your idea and write an example. Okay, this is the second body paragraph. Okay, got it? Opinion type of essays, how to write an opinion type of essay. Please support my channel. Please support my channel. Please share to maximum to your friends. Okay. Everyone has to get good score in IELTS writing task. Okay, IELTS writing task. This is my ambition. It is my dream. Okay. Last one, conclusion. Summarize your opinion and the key reasons. For last, you have to write this in conclusion. You have to summarize your total opinion and only two to three sentences, not more than that. Don't write in more than 3 sentences in conclusion. Okay. Got it? First, we discussed about opinion type of questions. Second, I'm going to discuss about discussion essay questions. Second is discussion essay questions. For example, some people believe that the government should provide free education at every level. However, some say that individuals should pay for their university education. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You have to discuss both views and give your opinion. That is the discussion essay question. Okay. Okay. In discussion essay question, here it is written, discuss both views and give your opinion. That is the topic sentence. Okay. In discussion essay, you have to write an introduction. In every essay, you write an introduction. Okay. First, paraphrase your sentence, paraphrase the question, and write this statement and outline the statement. Second body paragraph one. First body paragraph, main body paragraph one, you have to write your there may be negative or positive viewpoint and discussion type of why you are supporting, why you are not supporting. First, you have to write negative viewpoint. Otherwise, you can write positive viewpoint also. Both you can choose. Okay, both way you can write. First, you write positive, negative viewpoint. Outline the view why you are not agree with the statement. You have to write clearly why you are not agreeing with the statement. Okay. After you have to give clear why some people are not agreeing. You have to write it clearly. Why some people got this view? Give an example. You have to write a proper example. After that, state whether you agree or disagree. After that, you have to write in discussion essay. You have to write whether you agree or disagree. Got it? Discussion essay type 1 question, type discussion essay question. Second body paragraph. Same like previous one, topic sentence, outline the topic. Do you agree with why you are agreeing with the statement? Explain. After you have to explain why some people hold this view. After you write to write why some people are holding this view. And write proper clarification with the help of an example. Okay. And after that, you have to write whether you agree or disagree with the statement in discussion type of essay. Last is conclusion. Summarize the key points and state your opinion. Okay, got it? Third type of essay is problem essay question. Okay, we discussed till here opinion type of question, discussion type of question. Third is problem essay question. Problem essay question. Key tips. Don't list lots of causes and solution. Don't write lots of causes and solution. Choose one or two course, choose one or two courses and develop them fully and write them properly. Okay. And when you are writing the courses, you have to connect your courses with the solution. If you are not connecting with the solution, there is no reason to write the essay. You won't get proper score. Okay, you have to write each courses and problem with the solution. Okay. The question will be like that. Overpopulation, this is an example. Overpopulation in many urban countries around the world is a major problem. What are the causes of this? Problem essay question. What are the causes? We have to, first paragraph will be the causes, second paragraph will be the solution. How can this problem can be solved? How can this problem be solved? Okay, this is the question. The structure. First, you have to write an introduction. Second, the main body paragraph. First, you have to write the causes. First, write the causes. Second, give details, explain the problem and causes. You have to write the detail, explaining the problem and the causes, and give a correct example. Okay. In every essay, you have to write an example. In body paragraph, do the same. You have to write solution. The topic sentence, write the solution. Give a detail explaining the solution, or write an example. Got it? And after that, conclusion. Fourth one is advantages and disadvantages essays. The topical wording. These type of questions you will get. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantages? A last one, discuss advantages and disadvantages and give your opinion. Discuss advantages and disadvantages, give your opinion. These are the topical sentence you will get when you are writing advantages and disadvantages essays. So one question. Some experts believe that children should begin learning a foreign language at primary school rather than secondary school. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? This is the one question. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Okay. In this type of essay, you have to write first you have to write introduction. In body paragraph, first you have to write advantages. Here, state one advantages, explain, give details, explain in the first write an example. Sorry, first write an advantages and explain, state one advantages and explain the advantage. And after that, give the example. Lastly, state the result. What is the result? What is the result of this advantage? Okay, you have to write it properly. In second paragraph, you have to write one disadvantage. Explain. Give the details. Why you to write as you have to write the you have to explain the disadvantages. And after to write an example and write the result. What is the result of this disadvantage? Finally, conclusion. Got it? Fifth one, double question essay. What are the key tips? You must answer both. You will get two questions. You must answer both questions. Okay. You have to write both questions. Don't confuse with it an opinion or discussion. This is not a discussion or opinion. So this is a double question essay. Okay, double question. The question will be like that. Success is often measured by wealth and material possession. So do you think wealth is the best measure of success? Second, what makes you a successful person? Type 2 question. Wealth is the best measure of success. Second is what makes you a successful person? This is a 2 questions. Second, in this type of question, first you have to write an introduction. Second, main body paragraph 1. Third, body paragraph 2. First, you have to write first question answer. Topic sentence, state your answer. Right? First, state what is your answer. Explain why you are supporting, why you think this is, why you are thinking why you are thinking this is correct. Okay, and give your example. Okay, and third, second what is write your second and question answer. State your answer. Why you think this is the answer and give your example. Okay. And finally, you have to write conclusion. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you want any online training, OET and IELTS, please contact me on this number 9540382056. Thank you for watching.